Hello friends, I'm Sudhamsika Parikya and today I'm gonna carry on with my uh, HTML tutorial series. Uh, it is part 2 of this series. I know I'm a bit late in releasing this um, tutorial, but I had some work, so I'm late. So please forgive me. So let's get started. Um, since it is part 2, we're gonna carry on with tags like HTML tags, like image tag, some other tags. So let's get started. This tutorial is gonna be on Notepad and Notepad, and uh, and we know later on we can carry on with Dreamweaver, Adobe Dreamweaver CS5.3. So let's edit with Notepad. That's what we did last time. Let's debug it. Let's debug. Launch in Chrome. Okay, this is a line. This is what we did. This is just beginning. I can show you some basic tags today. Okay, let's delete it. First I can show you one of the tags called header tag. There are 6 type of headers, um, like h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, h7, not h7, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the difference between. Okay, I will pause the video till I type it, so I'm not gonna waste my time. So let's pause. Okay, so you can see what I tabbed. This is the what I tabbed. So let's run the changes. Open in Google. Sorry. Launch in Chrome. Okay. We have to save it. Sorry. Control plus S. Okay. Now we will refresh this. As we refresh this, okay, you can see the difference between h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. The basic difference between 6 headers is one is smaller than other. The first one is biggest, the second one is bit smaller, the third one is bit smaller than h2, fourth one is bit smaller than that, so on. And you can see the headers are automatically bold because they are headers. Headers are actually bold because they are starting a subject or anything, so that is the beginning of anything. So that is why the sorry, I have a bit of cold and I'm not speaking well. I know my throat is bit uh, creepy, but please forgive me. So let's what I was talking on, and the headers. the headers are the beginning of any topic, so they are automatically bold. So basically you can use uh, each of these headers um, many times as you want in an HTML document. Not this you have used H1 and you will use H2 next time. Let me give you an example. If I delete this, or if I delete this bit of code, delete. So I have H1. I will repeat this H1. Sorry. Okay, I have to set this. Okay, when I refresh this, there is nothing difference. From it you can see you can use several times of one header, and there are 6 types of headers. Let's move on to p tag, which is paragraph tag, but we use it to define a sentence or line. It's like print command of QBasic. If you imagine, if you know QBasic program, basic QBasic programming. So okay, let's get rid of this. And this. Okay, what we now gonna discuss is p tag. So let's start it. P blah 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 and slash p and the header, and save it and then refresh it. Okay, you can see there is no difference. Over here written this little bit of thing plainly, and we written this bit of thing inside the paragraph tag, but there is no difference. But the use of paragraph tag is you can add more characteristics to it, like color, like breadth, like width, but that is CSS use. In HTML there is use, but we'll move on to that later. Okay, if we know what is paragraph tag, now let's move on to bold tag or strong tag. Strong tag is better than b tag, as some older browser do not support b tag. They read it as bold text, no, strengthened text, but strong is bit of bold. Okay, let's type After you save that, refresh this, you can see that text inside paragraph tag is bold. If you use strong tag, uh, strong and strong, and we'll set these changes, and you can see there is no difference, basic difference, because uh, bold means in HTML marking of language, sorry, hypertext marking of language, in HTML, bold means uh, like stretched text, B tag, that is bold. But strong means what we mean in English, the bold, we mean that same thing in strong in HTML, but in as bold is meaning of strong, other than strong, it is strengthened text. Some browser read it as don't support it, and we get no bold letters, some older browsers. So it is better to use strong tag than B tag or bold tag. So let's move on to some tag called what? Underline tag. Sorry. Okay. You means underline. You can see I've ended this and started this U tag, and what will happen, what should happen actually, an underline should come. Okay, we got it. And another tag is I italic, italic tag, and if we save this, the code will come in italic. Another is like strike. Strike is used mainly to cut the basic thing what we written, but in computer we can use the thing what is the need of strike tag. Actually, the basic need of strike tag is you can actually if a company is reducing the price, it can write RS, for example RS 20 instead of 40. I will give in an example. So let's give it. this is for example only, that is not at all a code. That is not the right way to write HTML, but I will show you for example. Let's save it. Okay, you can see this is the thing. And another thing is ordered list, unlisted list, listed list. So let's get on with. We will type L this is means listed list, and what changes should happen I will show you. Okay, so what happened I can do. Okay, 1 okay. One. This is means the text will be aligned vertically, but sorry, horizontally, but but no listing is there, like 1 2 or okay. In another list, on listed list, if you use UL, let's get rid of this RS20. Okay, now what should happen is, if we save it, that should be this. Okay, now what we gonna do is BR and HR tag. Okay, it's like enter key in HTML, using of enter key in HTML. I will say just a minute. B, let's use BR, BR and this, and we will use P, another paragraph, and this. If we I unset this change. Okay, what should happen it? There should be a space between these two. Okay, we succeeded that, and let's see what is HR tag. This tag BR and HR and some other tags in HTML never end, only their start is enough. Okay, let's get on. Okay, um, after we asset, um, what should happen is align this line. Again, that's it for this tutorial, and again I will leave the link for Notepad++ download link, and some other resources of this tutorial. Please see the description for detail, and again we'll leave a link um, which in which you can use or learn many more other tags. This is not it of HTML. Okay, let's close the tutorial for now, and I will see you next time. So bye bye.